Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing absolutely amazing. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I exfoliate my hair and scalp once in a while using aloe vera. So the first thing you have to do is to get a clean bowl and then you cut some aloe vera plants. Okay, so I did cut a couple of them. Actually, this aloe vera were cut by my friend. I'm going to show you what he brought for me. So the important thing that you have to do first is that you have to rinse them, because sometimes when you cut them, depending on where it was planted, you see sands, and then there's this yellow thing that keeps coming out of it at some point, so you have to rinse it to get rid of that. So I made sure that I thoroughly rinsed the aloe vera plants one by one. So afterwards, you cut the aloe vera plants, okay, and we're going to be using that transparent substance inside. That is what we're going to be using. Okay, that is why I'm bringing it up to show you. So you have to cut it into like maybe 3 or 2 depending on the length of the particular aloe vera plant, so that you can be able to extract the substance inside. So I went ahead and I cut it from the edge, and this is how the substance I got inside looks like. Okay, so I wanted to give you a quick close up on how it looks like. So when you cut it open, you just get your knife and then you cut off that substance inside. Yeah, just make sure you cut it off very well, and try as much as possible not to cut out the green part. So yeah, I told you that my friend brought me a lot. Now he got me so much, and I was like, oh my god, this is just for him, this is just for him, more. But anyways, this is the amount that I ended up using, and at this point I was contemplating whether to blend it or not, and I was so grateful I didn't blend it. I'm going to show you why I was so grateful towards the end of the video. So I proceeded to take a spatula to kind of like mesh it, not entirely crushing it, okay, so you don't have like little clumps in there, but just to kind of like mesh it. So this is what it looks like. You could see that some of them were still taking the shape with which I cut it up with. So over to my hair, this is what my hair looked like. I'd already gone ahead to work on the back section of my hair, so what was remaining was the front section, and my hair was already looking so moisturized. I also used it on my scalp. So the first thing that you would do is to unravel the sections, because it's always good to work with your hair in sections so that you don't get to so it doesn't get messy, because DIYs are generally so messy. So make sure you drape like an old t-shirt or a towel around your neck to just make sure it doesn't get so messy, because trust me, this gets really messy, because aloe vera is kind of like slimy, so it just gets so messy. So you get that section of your hair, and of course you squeeze warm water. I use warm water because of my hair is low porosity, so use what works for your hair. Then you get the aloe vera and you begin to apply it to your hair, concentrating more on the ends of your hair, because like I'd always say, the ends of your hair are the weakest parts of your hair, so they need all the love and all the attention they could get. So one thing about this aloe vera is that it is so moisturizing. Like once you apply it, you would notice that you can easily finger detangle your hair. And why I love to use aloe vera is that aloe vera is so good, especially when it comes to detoxifying your hair, moisturizing it. Like it deeply moisturizes it. That is one thing. Okay, aside from the regular deep conditioning, it deeply moisturizes it, and the sleep is just so good. You could see that I'm not having any issues like detangling my hair at all, and it kind of like defines your curls. So aloe vera is so good. I do this before I shampoo. Okay, so I also use it as a pre-poo while I'm using it to detoxify both hair and scalp. So I recommend doing this before you shampoo, so that it can also serve as a pre-poo, and it's a win-win. Okay, now as for how I use it on my scalp, I just first of all squeeze a little bit of water on my scalp, and then I take the aloe vera and I apply it as if you're kind of like applying soap, a bar soap to your scalp, you get. And then as you apply it, you gently massage it in so that your scalp can get all of it into it. Okay, so you apply that, you massage, and make sure that section you're working on, the scalp around that area, is covered. And then if you want to detangle again, you go ahead and detangle. So when I'm done with this section, I go ahead and twist it away, just so, like I said before, it doesn't interfere with other sections of my hair I've not worked on. So then I proceed to the next section of my hair and I repeat the exact same thing that I did to the other section. First of all, I squeeze warm water, because don't ever work on your hair whenever it is dry, okay? Not advisable at all. So when I'm done squeezing water, I gently try to finger detangle, and then I take the aloe vera and I begin to apply it. Now, the reason I said I am so happy I didn't blend the aloe vera is that you notice that some of them now have this like consistency, the same consistency with which you cut it out from the plant. Like it has this kind of like bar look to it, so it helps you with the application. So assuming I blended it, everything will be slimy like okra, and when you are just dragging it out of the plate, it won't make sense. So that was why I really appreciated not blending it after all. So when you're done applying it to your hair, you go ahead, apply to your scalp, massage, and then you twist that section away and proceed to the next section of your hair. When you are done, do not forget your edges. I feel like a lot of us forget our hairlines a lot. They also need all that love. Do not forget your edges. Do not forget your nape hairs. Apply this aloe vera to your edges, to your nape hairs, and just try as much as possible to rub that in. So this is how, like, you could see and feel it from the screen, right? My hair was so moisturized. Like, it was so moisturized. And I also recommend this if you're experiencing pain in your scalp. You know, like, there are some people that once in a while they do experience this type of pain in their scalp. Aloe vera balances the pH of your scalp. That is why it is so good to use it once in a while to exfoliate. So when I'm done, I just cover my hair, because I told you I'm using this as a pre-poo. I just cover my hair and I leave it for like 30 minutes. I use a heat cap, by the ways, but you can choose not to. It doesn't mean anything, but just make sure you cover it properly. And then this is the amount of aloe vera that was remaining. Mind you, I didn't cut everything my friend brought, but this was the amount that was remaining. So yeah. So this was my hair after I had washed off the aloe vera, and then I went ahead to shampoo. I recommend aloe vera has one, first of all, a pre-poo. Secondly, has an exfoliant for both hair and scalp, because my hair was so moisturized. Like, I don't know if you can feel it, but my hair was so moisturized. My hair was so soft even after shampooing. And I did shampoo with a surface shampoo, and my hair was still like soft afterwards. So yeah, it's a win-win for me. If you found this video really helpful, please do not forget to subscribe, tell your friends about this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to check out these amazing videos on this channel. Stay safe and take care of yourself. I'll see ya. Bye.